conferences like this, the Deswik User Conference, are very important to the mining industry to collaborate, to network, to share our challenges, to meet with people with similar scenarios, but completely different backgrounds. And the tips and tricks I've learned in the last day alone have been invaluable. I also think it's great to get everyone outside of their comfort zone a little bit and learn new skills and see what else is going on and just move forward in technology. It's nice to get that firsthand glimpse from the company to see what we can do to optimize. So my favorite session so far was the Freeport case study. I share a lot of similarities with their journey, so I really enjoyed being able to pick their brain after, and honestly, just getting some one-on-one time after the presentation, so that was my favorite. So some of the networking opportunities I've had at this conference are just meeting all of these old coworkers that I didn't realize moved on and are all at different sites around the world, and we're all together again. That's been really unique and fun and refreshing. I've also learned a lot about the potash industry and coal and other gold mines that I didn't realize were using Deswik. So it's been fun just to reach out and get to know new faces.